Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PN Amarsi e-learning classes. Chapter number 2, Laws of Creation. So, in this chapter, dear students, we are going to learn the morals and values of laws. Everything in life has its own time and space. Some rules of nature and time should be abided, else the results may be disastrous. What is the meaning of bided? Bided means to wait for the results, otherwise, the results will be disastrous. Then, what is the meaning of disastrous? It is harmful. Let us see the chapter. A boy found a cocoon of a butterfly. A few days later, he noticed it slowly opening. He sat and watched it carefully as the butterfly struggled to come out of that little hole. After a while, it stopped. It struggles as if it could not go further. The boy decided to help the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and cut the remaining of the cocoon. The butterfly then came out easily, but it presented a strange sight. The butterfly had a swollen body and curled up wings. So, if we see the boy take a pair of scissors and cut it the remaining part of the cocoon, then the butterfly came out easily. But the butterfly is presenting a strange sight. Why it is presenting a strange sight? Because the butterfly is having a swollen body and the wings are curled up. The boy continued to watch the butterfly. He expected any moment the butterfly curled up wings to open and then it would be able to fly. But it did not happen. In fact, the butterfly spent the rest of its life crawling with its swollen body and deformed wings. It could never fly. What is the meaning of deformed? Deformed means having a shape that is not normal. Okay, the boy, in his kindness and hasty, tried to help the butterfly, but he did not understand that struggle needed for the butterfly to get out of the small opening of the cocoon was nature's way of forcing fluid out the body of the butterfly into its wing so it would be ready to fly once it came out of the cocoon. As the boy did not understand that the butterfly needed struggle, as the natures to come out naturally, fluid out the body, and butterfly would wings could get ready and to fly once it came out of the cocoon. Not just for the butterfly, it is true for us also. We cannot break the laws of creation. Without struggle, a lot of things can never succeed. Struggle is an integral part of our lives. If there are no obstacles, no struggles throughout the life, we would not be as strong as we should be. Nature makes us struggle to help us emerge as a better person, just like a pupa in the cocoon turns into a beautiful butterfly. So, the key value sense of discrimination between good and bad. Thank you, dear students.